New traders fail because of a lack of these two things, a lack of education and a simple strategy. But in this video, I'm going to break down both of those things. I am going to show you on a live chart exactly why I took this trade, and you're going to be able to look inside of my community and see us take this trade live. But before I do that, y'all, I want to show you and highlight one of my students because I am big on education and the fact that, the simple strategy works if you just apply it, okay? She was new to the academy and she had an awesome week of trading and had a profit of $621 in her first week, y'all. So kudos to you, my dear, and kudos to all the friends in the community, and kudos to you right now for tapping into information. So before we get into the charts, and make sure you check out the description box below, or just go ahead and text Discord to this number here. And do me a quick little favor. Can you help me get this video to 1,000 likes? Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and let's get right into the video. All right. So here we are, guys. We are on QQQ. I'm going to break down this trade for you. And we are on a 2-minute chart. So each candlestick represents 2 minutes of price action. So I use a few indicators to help. But first and foremost, guys, you have to have a strategy. And I use my strategy first. And I add indicators for extra levels of confluence to get into a trade, okay? So one of the indicators that I love to use, and these are extra little gems, so you're welcome, is the pivot point standard. So go ahead, and this is what the pivot point standard is. This is the indicator. You go ahead and put that on your chart. The second one that I use is the ORB opening range breakout by this creator here, ZZ Crypto 123. So those are the 2 indicators that are on my chart that I'm using, okay? Another thing you will see is levels, right? This dotted line is a level, a critical level that I have drawn on my chart, and I use that to let me be aware of when price action gets to this level, it might react, right? It might bounce, it might break through, so I'm aware of that, okay? So let's go ahead and see what price does as it approaches and goes on down. Right here, as you can see, guys, it has touched the ORB, right, which is the low of the first 15 minutes of price action. I like that, right? I like that. I do not trade inside of the range here. So what I'd be looking for is a break to the downside for a possible play. I am not in the trade yet. Okay, so let's see. Just looking for a trend, okay? Trend is your friend, and one of the things that I like to look for is trend, okay? So that's another part of my strategy. I'm looking for trend. I like the break of the ORB. Yes, I like the trend. Yes. So now I'm looking for a possible entry. I'm not inside of the trade yet. I don't just jump into a trade because I see the same color candles, okay? So here, I would like to point out that I do like to see this particular candle here, the 948 candle. What the 948 candle is showing me is a pullback. Price action moves in a series of impulse moves and pullbacks, impulse moves and pullbacks, right? Think of the pullback as a elastic band, right? Some tension is there. So what I would want to take advantage of is the release of that pullback, that push to the downside. So now I would be looking to enter into a put play on the next candle, okay? So the pullback here, this candle gives me two important data points, my entry and my stop loss, okay? My entry, since I'm looking to go into a put, is below this candle here, the pullback candle, and the stop loss is on the other side. What we like to do is to minimize our losses and maximize our wins, so we like to have a small stop loss, okay? So let me show you on the next candle, which would be when we would enter into this particular play. And boom, we are in the trade now. Once it has passed this level here at 473.87, we are in that play. And I automatically know once I'm in that play, my stop loss is here, 474.59, right? So if the play goes against me, it is what it is, right? I get out at 474.52 and it is what it is, right? But I am in the play. I love the fact that it is pushed, gave me a nice push to the downside. It is breaking the ORB, and I'm in a put play here. So I'm looking for price to get down to my targets. So this is a nice move down, nice candle down. I'm looking for it to get to these targets. Once again, those levels are there to let me know, hey, the play might bounce. It might not break through. But so what do we like to do? We like to take profit at these levels, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and play for you that price action is doing its thing. There we go. We take profit, right? And what take profit means is to actually sell off some of your contracts. All right. So once we have sold off some of our contracts here, we leave runners because the play could still continue. But what we want to do is when we're selling off some of our contracts is to get paid for our hard work thus far. And we want to be able to not only get paid for the move that we've made, but also by leaving runners, y'all, we get to maximize the move. So imagine if you sold off all your contracts right here and you did not have any more dogs in the fight right here. You would have missed this bomb move down here. Right? So this is a good risk management strategy, right? To get paid, put some money in your pocket, but still have some fight in the game to still maximize the potential. So guys, here is an awesome step that was so simple for you to follow. You saw my entry, you saw my stop loss, and you learned some indicators. So now you're going to actually go and see and get a feel of the recording live of us actually taking this trade for you to see the feel of getting in the trade, taking profit, and actually maximizing this exact play that I just walked you. Okay, y'all, so I just want to give you a little disclaimer. The man that you hear in the background is not a random. That's my actual husband. He trades with me live also. So please excuse him. We have a great dynamic. As you can see, he's a loud. I'm the quiet, calm one. All right. So please enjoy and excuse the noise. Yeah, Google looking good fundamentals. Just have that pivot to crack there, but so it's definitely gave you your entry. Hood looks good for the next candle below the 137.15 for 37 puts or 36.5 puts. But the next candle needs to form and pass below it. QQQ below 473.9. 473 puts on QQQ. Miss Yvonne, you ready? It's about to break the ORB. Exxon looks very good, Rosemary. It's finally cracked that level above 110.
I'm in QQQ. I'm in QQQ. I'm in QQQ.
Good, guys.
And I'm in Amazon. If we could just hold underneath there, bro. Break the ORB and keep going. Look at our volume. Come on, baby. Come through. Come through. Come through. Come on, don't play me.
Other mic AAL is setting up for you.
Come on. Come on, QQQ. So it's retesting the low of the day key. Hold above, it could push. Come on, QQQ.
Nice. Let's go.
Come on, QQQ.
Let's go. Push them out. Push. Let's go. Let's go. And Exxon, nice. Good. AAL is setting up too.
Let's go, QQQ. Let's see if it gets a pre-market low. Come on, QQQ. Come on, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it, QQQ. You got it.
AAL needs to crack the ORB first.
Hold that level. Hold that level.
1083.
Come on, volume. Come on, volume. Push through. Come on.
No, 1078. AAL.
Beautiful. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go, QQ.
It just.
Come on, QQ. Give me another push. Give me another one. Give me another.
Good for you, my dear. So Jazzy, so what we look for is our containment candle, and we look for our containment candle after we see a trend, and once we get our entry, it's the level that I would call out. So welcome. I know it's a little bit different, but once you get the TCT strategy, then you'll better understand what we're looking at and what we're waiting for. Okay, my dear? You're so welcome. Congrats on your profit, my dear. That's awesome.
I'm going to take a little bit off of QQQ and a little bit below the day. I mean, that's the pre-market low.
472.3. Kiki, congrats on Hood, man. Congrats on Hood. Sell a
little bit of QQQ.
QQQ people took some profit.
Take a little bit. Come on, baby. Break through this. Break through this. Like yesterday's low of the day.
Amazon folks, you should still be in there because
if they could break yesterday's low today, T.
Push. All right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this video and saw that this strategy works and it's very simple, something that you can repeat day in and day out. And once again, if you have not done so yet, please give me a thumbs up so I can help get this video to 1,000 likes. And if you've watched it all the way to the end here, go ahead and subscribe because I'm going to give you more videos like this, and more knowledge and more content in regards to options trading. If you have any specific question, make sure you leave that comment down below because I love reading my comments and responding to you. And make sure, go ahead and check the description box below to join the Boss Up Academy. All right, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, and a blessed rest of the year. See you soon.